Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am Aishwarya Nair. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are Prime Minister Modi to take final call on cryptocurrency ban. Bharti Airtel collaborates with Invest India for Startup Innovation Challenge. Government of India plans to roll out 5G test bed by January 2022. Now the news in detail are according to a leading English daily, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be taking a final call on the cryptocurrency regulatory framework. We might see a complete ban on private cryptocurrencies or a partial ban permitting all crypto products with regulation or just few with regulation. Telecom giant Bharti Airtel has partnered with Invest India and announced the launch of an innovation challenge for startups. The Startup Innovation Challenge has invited startups to come up with solutions for 5G, IoT, cloud communication, digital advertising, and digital entertainment. The Department of Telecommunication announced that the government is planning to roll out a 5G test bed in early January to enable SMEs and other industry players to test their solutions on a working platform. The Department of Telecommunication has allocated spectrum to Bharti Airtel, Reliance Jio, Vodafone, Idea, and MTNL for 5G trials. Facebook parent Meta has unveiled its first standalone office in Asia in Gurugram. Facebook India Vice President and Managing Director Ajit Mohan also announced a new center to train 1 crore small businesses and 250,000 creators in the next 3 years. The IPO of RateGain was subscribed 17.41 times on its final day of subscription as it received bids for 30.20 crore equity shares against the IPO size of 1.73 crore equity shares. The IPO received a strong response from retail investors. Fintech giant Razorpay is planning to launch 3 new solutions which will help simplify payment management processes for businesses, especially small and medium-sized enterprises. Logistics aggregator ShipRocket has raised $185 million in a funding round led by Zomato, Temasek, and Lightrock India. The round also saw participation from Murray Strategic Ventures and 9 unicorns. Biotech startup Zumutor Biologics has raised $6.2 million in a fresh funding round led by Siana Capital. This funding will help the startup kickstart phase 1 clinical trials in the US for its lead antibody molecule for prostate cancer. Two-wheeler electric vehicle startup Ultraviolet Automotive has raised around $15 million in a fresh funding round led by TVS and bootstrapped unicorn Zoho Corporation. D2C personal and home care product startup Cleanstar has raised $2.6 million in a Series A funding round led by Hem Securities, Venture Catalyst, and Inflection Point Ventures. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.